Need to change the bank account linked to your Grow account? No problem, it's a straightforward process. Let's go through the steps together. First, open the Grow app and tap on your profile icon at the top right to access your profile. Next, select the Banks and Mandates section. To add a new bank account, tap Add another bank and input the details of your new bank account, such as account number, IFSC code, and other required information. If you want to make an existing account your primary one, follow these steps. In the same Banks and Mandates section, find the bank account you want to set as primary. Tap the three dots next to the bank name and select Make Primary. This ensures that all your settlements, including any redemption amounts or withdrawals, will be credited to your primary bank account. And that's it. You've successfully changed or updated your linked bank account on Groww. You can follow these steps to manage your bank account anytime. See you in the next video.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Please read the risk disclosure documents carefully before investing in equity shares, derivatives, mutual fund, and or other instruments traded on the stock exchanges.